Why choosing or joining Great Life International Corporation is a wise decision. Positive Day Gilivers, this is Dr. Gigi Disunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga Gilivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Disunga. Alright, so hawak natin ngayon ang mga products at brochure ng Great Life International Corporation. And why choosing or joining Great Life International Corporation is a wise decision. Yan. So sa lahat ng mga gusto magkaroon ng side job or and eventually magkaroon ng passive income. So, this is one big opportunity for you para ma-achieve natin yung target natin. Sabi ko nga, one of your targets, lalo na nasa 30, 40 years old, start establishing your passive income. And this is one of the ways para ma-establish natin ang ating passive income. So, why choosing or why Great Life International Corporation? Because, ganito po ang product po ng Great Life ay about wellness, health, and beauty. Okay? And why this company will give you, an opportunity para magkaroon tayo ng passive income. And why it is a best choice. Because ito pong products nila, this is one reason, yung product nila, about wellness, health, and beauty. Product pala namin, kasi kasama na po ako dito. Yeah, nag-join na po si Doc G sa Great Life International Corporation. Okay, so, bakit so wise decision? Because these products, yung about wellness, health, and beauty, ito po yung kanyang parang in terms of economy, yung price niya po. Okay, so, is $4.2 trillion in 2017. Sabihin, 2017. Ito yung nag-generate na income from wellness, health, and beauty. Okay? So, ganyan po siya kalaki. So, we'll just be getting our share from 4.2 trillion US dollars. Okay? So, ganyan kalaki yung kuha na natin ng share. Kukuha lang tayo ng share. We'll not be getting all these things, all this money. Kukuha lang tayo ng share. Okay? Di ba ngayon napapansin natin na lahat ng mga, sabi nga nila, all roads lead to beauty, wellness, di ba? Health. So, lahat ngayon, conscious na ang tao, nagpupunta sa gym, bumibili ng mga supplements, di ba? And gusto rin natin, syempre, gumanda tayo, di ba? And yung health natin, very conscious na rin mga tao ngayon na gusto nila healthy na kinakain, kaya kahit mahal, organic kinakain nila, di ba? So, yung products na yan sa market, so napakalaki po ng income na nag-generate. Okay? It's again, ulitin natin, 4.2 trillion in 2017. Okay? So, ang laki po ng chance that we can get our share here. Because our products sa Great Life International Corporation ay about wellness, health, and beauty. Okay? So, if you want to know more about kung paano po to, Doc G, paano ba ako sasali, what will happen, paano ko siya gagawin passive income eventually, okay? Or ngayon muna, mag-start muna tayo, syempre, magiging side job mo yan. So, pwede mo siyang i-offer sa yung mga office mates, sa mga kaibigan natin, di ba? So, kung paano ako magsisimula, message mo ako, 0939-5254-311. Okay, so pagka-message mo po sa akin, I will ask or I'll answer your questions, and may mga team tayo na sasagot sa iyong mga tanong. Okay? And you can share this video sa lahat ng mga kaibigan mo para sabay-sabay kayong magkaroon or start your passive income. Alright, so thank you very much, Gilivers. Enjoy the rest of the day. Yan! Let's go, let's go!